आज वीडियो उल्टा चल गया, मैं पहले आ गया. Welcome to Adarsh Kitchen, and as you all know, I'm not Adarsh, but this is her kitchen. And don't worry, I'm not going to cook, she'll be here soon. So we thought we'll devote today's video to Gambu, Inder, Audrey, and all my other well-wishers who think I eat too much. So today I'm not going to eat. That's why I'm here at the start of the video. Happy? Thand pai gayi? So let's talk about today's dish, which is chicken korma. Now the story goes that chicken korma was first served to Emperor Shah Jahan at the inauguration of the Taj Mahal. But I find that kind of hard to believe. Can you imagine Mumtaz lying in her grave, Shah Jahan grieving over the grave and saying, "Chicken korma pesh karo." In any case, we all know what rich food the Mughals used to have. So they all had rich Mughlai food and none of them survived. So let's see how Adarsh makes healthier and tastier chicken korma.
Please let me know in the comments below what dishes you enjoy eating so that we can make them healthier, lighter and tastier together. So for chicken korma we need only very few ingredients. That is doodh, dahi, badam और इलायची. इसके अलावा प्याज, अदरक, लहसुन, हरी मिर्च तो सबके घरों में होता ही है. चलो बनाएं chicken korma. So we start with the marination of the chicken. The only thing to be added here is salt. That's it. Salt. If you want, you can add a little bit of black pepper. It is totally optional. And white pepper. And we just mix them. And this is to be kept for about 30 minutes. We can fork the chicken. So we have added the khada masala, whole spices. We can see cinnamon, cardamom, both are there. Cloves, red dried chilies and bay leaves. To this we add the chicken. The total time chicken takes to get cooked is about 20 minutes, depending on which part of the chicken it is. Chicken thighs get cooked faster. So here I have used chicken tangri and the thighs. At no point of time the food should touch the bottom. So I will add a little water. I have mixed this with ginger, garlic, green chilies. So I have added 1 spoon of ginger paste, 1 spoon of garlic paste and 1 spoon of green chili. So total 3 tablespoons. So we have sauteed the ginger, garlic, green chili paste for about 3 minutes, and whenever it gets dry we will add a little bit of water. As an alternative we can also add milk. Depends on you how heavy you want to make it. If guests are coming, maybe you would like to add milk. To this I will add grated onions. About 3 tablespoons, and saute for another 5 to 7 minutes. The onions need not be made brown because we need the sweet taste of the onions. So this is an extremely no desi ghee, no butter. We don't add the spices like turmeric, cumin powder, garam masala, tomatoes. Now we avoid these spices not because they are not healthy, but because we want to retain the nutty flavor and aroma of the dish. So if we add these spices, it will mask this flavor. Typically, people make this dish with a lot of oil and masalas, which makes them very heavy, just like the other Mughlai dishes. In this chicken korma, I would like to make it nutty, light, nutritious and white in color. So we have used just 1 spoon of oil. Now in the next step, I will add a cup of yogurt. It should be added very gently and stirred also very gently. Otherwise, dahi phat jayegi and paneer ban jayega. To this we will add yogurt very lightly and we'll fold in. Slow the gas when we add yogurt. So to this we will add a little bit of about 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of powdered fennels, that is saunf, and a bit of mace powder. We have to maintain the white color, so our ingredients are used accordingly. So to this now I am adding the paste of, we can make out about 8 cashews and 10 almonds in water. If we need more gravy, we can add milk or little more water. So the only thing left now is to cook the gravy. I will now add some green chilies also. The aroma coming from this dish is amazing. You can smell elaichi, saunf. This is best eaten with chapati, lachha paratha, naan. So the gravy is getting cooked, as we can see that it is, the oil is leaving on the sides. So our chicken korma is ready and we dish it out. So at this point of time I will take out the whole spices because nobody likes them coming in the mouth. I will add a drop of kevda, and few drops of rose water. This makes all the difference to the dish, and few coriander leaves. So our chicken korma is ready. Chalo ji, it's now time to taste. मैं नवल को बुला रही हूँ. He doesn't come. He says सब कहते हो बहुत खाता. Okay, I'm tasting it. It's really good, guys. Try it out and please don't forget to subscribe and like the video.